Hello students, today we will read second chapter, that is food for us. In this chapter we will study about that why we eat food, what are the sources of food, what are the types of food, what is balanced diet, and what are the good food habits. We know students, the food we eat daily we get from two sources, that are plants and animals. So it is saying we eat food when we are hungry. When we eat food when we are hungry. So whenever we feel hungry, we eat food, and this food helps us to make us grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy and to work and play, and it helps us to fight the diseases. So these are the main basic reason and why we eat food. When we eat food when we feel hungry. And why should we eat food? To make us grow, to keep us strong and healthy, to give energy to work and play, and to help to fight the diseases. Students, there are three kinds of food that we should surely take in our daily diet. So these are bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. Now we will see what are bodybuilding food. Like milk, egg, fish, meat, and pulses help us to grow. The food that help us to grow is called bodybuilding food. You can see a child will grow from this to this position when he or she will take bodybuilding food. And what are the bodybuilding foods? That milk, pulses, eggs, fish, meat. These are the bodybuilding food that help us to grow. And this bodybuilding food also help us to make our bones and muscles strong. Next is energy giving food. What is the energy giving food? The food that gives us energy is called energy giving food. And whenever we get the energy, we work and play. What are the types of energy giving food? Like rice, sugar, butter, jaggery. This kind of food comes in the list of energy giving food. Now next is protective food. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy, we know very well, and they prevent us from falling sick. So if you are taking fruit and vegetables, then you will be healthy, and these fruits and vegetables prevent you from falling sick. Along with this, you should also do some exercises. And students, doctor always say that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So what you have to do? You have to take one vegetable, one fruit daily. Now what is raw and cooked food? Raw food is a food that we take or we eat without cooking. Like fruits, there are some vegetables also we eat without cooking, like cucumber, radish, beetroot, carrot. These are the food that we eat without cooking. So these are called the raw food. And what is cooked food? The food which we cannot eat without cooking, like meat, eggs, dal, rice. These are the examples of cooked food. Here's the girl, she is saying, I eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. We know students, 3 times we take food, and morning time is called breakfast, afternoon time is called lunch, and night time we call that food dinner. Now what is balanced diet? The kind of food we eat every day is called a diet. Now first we see what is diet. The kind of food we eat every day is called a diet. Whatever you eat daily, that is your diet. But when we take a right amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and productive food. It is called a balanced diet. Means in our daily diet, these three types of food must be included. And such a diet keeps us fit and healthy. Now we will read some healthy eating habits. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Have your meals at a fixed time every day. It is very important that you should take your meal at a fixed time. Always eat your breakfast. We should never skip the breakfast, students, because there is a long time between night to morning. Eat a balanced diet. Eat only fresh and clean food. Do not eat junk food because it's not good for health. Never waste food and take only as much as you can eat. Drink clean water, boil or filter it before drinking. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night because brushing helps to remove the bites of food stuck between the teeth. So in a nutshell, students, we have learned when we are hungry, we eat food. Food makes us grow, it gives us energy and makes us strong. There are three kinds of food: bodybuilding food, energy giving food and productive food. Bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play, and productive food prevents us from falling sick. We must eat a balanced diet and we must have healthy eating habits. I hope students through this chapter you will understand some good habits and you will follow these habits in your daily routine. Thank you.